Nightingale reporting live from the red carpet premiere of The GLOB, the blockbuster monster movie that's been generating monster buzz. And all the stars are turning up. Why, look! It's Brad Bradson. He's playing the GLOB scientist.
Over here, Mr. Bradson.
Mr. Bradson.
Hey, Bradley, baby.
Mr. Bradson.
Delivery. I've got pepperoni pizzas for the paparazzi.
Perfect timing. We have a spare minute before the next limo pulls up. Pizza bread.
What kind of pizza you say this was?
Look alive, people. That's Samantha Dubois.
But what about our pizzas?
Just stick 'em somewhere. We've got photos to take.
Enjoy the premiere, Miss Dubois.
Thank you, Lina. Such a dear.
Miss Dubois.
Over here, Miss Dubois.
Miss Dubois.
Samantha.
My car is all messed up. You paparazzi need to watch where you're putting your food.
Sorry, Lina.
about that,
I'm
Lina.
so sorry.
I can't pick up Miss Dubois after the premiere looking like this. I have to get it cleaned up. But where?
And don't go telling anyone, but I know a guy.
Carl's car wash.
Oh, special effects in old movies sure are fun. Nowadays, a lot of this would be done using computer animation. Woof! Too bright. Too bright! A customer at this hour?
Sorry about that, Carl. You are Carl, right?
Yep, that's me. Welcome to Carl's Car Wash. How can I help you?
Well, I was at the premiere of the new GLOB movie when the paparazzi accidentally got their food all over my car.
Wow! The premiere of the GLOB? I took a studio tour where they were filming it, and we got covered in glob slime. Of course I can help you. Let's get started. What kind of vehicle are you driving? Is the vehicle a school bus, a limousine, or a tour tram? That's it. It's a limousine. Now, let's see how messy it is. Is it a little messy, medium messy, or super duper messy? I'd say it's medium messy. Let me see what kind of mess this is. It's definitely cheesy, and there's little circles of flat meat all over. Is it pepperoni pizza, Hawaiian pizza, or mushroom pizza? Looks like pepperoni pizza. And finally, what size is this vehicle? Is it normal sized, or is it big? Well, it's about the same height as a normal-sized vehicle, but it's stretched out real long. So that makes it big. That'll be 19 tokens, Lina.
I'll drop them in by sixes. 6, 12, 18, plus one more equals 19. It's showtime! Thanks so much, Carl. You polished off those paparazzi pepperoni pizzas like a pro.
It was no problem, Lina.
I gotta get back to the movie premiere. Hey, would you care for a ride? I think I can get you in before the film starts playing.
Me? At the premiere of the GLOB? I'd love to!
Who's that?
Is that the guy from Car Wash, the musical?
I don't know. Take pictures, just in case. Mr. Car Wash!
Mr. Car
Mr.
Wash!
Car Wash!
Oh, too bright. Too bright!